Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can cancel order in Doordash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Doordash app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface, which will then redirect you to its home page. So once you're in the home page, simply tap on the orders section on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you tap on the orders beside the account section, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on view order. So once you select any of the orders you have purchased right now, you can be in this page and simply tap on the help option. After you tap on help, you can see the option like can I cancel my order? So simply tap on it and tap on chat with agent. Now to cancel your order from that restaurant, you need to simply type in the issue you are having and chat with the respective agent of that particular fast food chain. So this is how you cancel order on Doordash app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.